Greetings, future-focused innovators. Welcome to House Lux Estate, your trusted guide in the realm of business optimization and artificial intelligence. Here, we delve into the intricacies of integrating AI into your business model, a crucial step to stay ahead in this fast-paced, technologically driven world. We're set to explore how AI can streamline your operations, enhance your decision-making process, and ultimately drive your business towards greater heights. Today, we unlock the secrets of optimizing your business model for AI integration. Artificial intelligence, a term that echoes in every corner of the business world. But what does AI integration mean? Well, let's unwrap this concept step by step. Think of AI integration as the process of incorporating intelligent, automated systems into your existing business infrastructure. It's like adding a turbocharger to your car's engine, giving it an extra boost of power and efficiency. But why is it significant in the business world? Here's why. Businesses today are like complex puzzles, and AI is that missing piece that can tie everything together in harmony. It's the key to unlocking a treasure trove of possibilities that can streamline operations, enhance customer service, and enable data-driven decision-making. Picture this, a business that runs around the clock with minimal human intervention. Tasks that once took hours to complete are now done in minutes, thanks to automation. This is the power of AI, the ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic initiatives. And it's not just about accelerating processes. AI can also play a crucial role in improving customer service. Imagine a world where your customers get instant, personalized responses, no matter what time of the day it is. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer queries, provide product recommendations, and even process orders, all in real time. But here's the real game changer. AI can help businesses make data-driven decisions. With AI, you can analyze vast amounts of data, uncover hidden patterns, and gain valuable insights. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict future trends, helping you stay ahead of the curve. So, in a nutshell, integrating AI into your business is like stepping into a new era of efficiency and innovation. It's a strategic move that can give you a competitive edge, enhance productivity, and ultimately, drive business growth. Now that we understand AI integration, the next step is to learn how to optimize our business model for it. Step 1 in optimizing your business model for AI integration is evaluating your business needs. It's not about adopting technology for technology's sake. Rather, it's about finding where AI can add the most value. Start by taking a comprehensive look at your operations. Where are the bottlenecks? Which tasks are time-consuming or prone to human error? These could be potential areas for AI intervention. Perhaps it's inventory management, customer service, or data analysis. Consider also your strategic goals. Are you looking to grow, to increase efficiency, or to innovate? AI can support these goals in different ways, from automating processes to generating insights or creating new products and services. Remember, the goal isn't to replace humans. It's to enhance human capabilities and free up time for more strategic tasks. AI can be a powerful tool, but only if it's aligned with your business needs and objectives. Once you've identified your business needs, you're ready for the next step. Step 2 involves data collection and analysis. Now, this doesn't mean you need to become a data scientist overnight, but it does mean you need to understand the role data plays in your business and how it can be leveraged to optimize your AI integration. Think of data as the fuel that powers your AI engine. Without it, your AI model won't be able to learn, adapt, and deliver the results you need. And not just any data will do. You need relevant, quality data that directly pertains to your business model and objectives. So, how do you go about collecting this data? Well, it begins with identifying the key metrics that matter to your business. These could be sales figures, customer demographics, market trends, or operational efficiencies. Once you've identified these metrics, you then need to establish data collection methods. This could be through surveys, tracking software, or even purchasing data from third-party providers. Next comes the analysis part. This is where you'll sift through your collected data to identify patterns and trends. You're essentially looking for insights that can help you understand your current business model better. This could involve seeing which products are most popular, identifying peak sales times, or understanding customer behavior. Keep in mind, this process isn't a one-time thing. Data collection and analysis should be an ongoing exercise. As your business evolves, so will your data needs. Regularly updating and analyzing your data will ensure your AI model stays relevant and effective. Moreover, data privacy is crucial. You need to ensure that all data collection and usage respects privacy laws and ethical guidelines. Using data responsibly not only protects your business from potential legal issues, but also maintains trust with your customers. So, gather and analyze your data with care. It will fuel your AI model, providing it with the knowledge it needs to optimize your business. Remember, the quality of your AI's performance is directly linked to the quality of your data. With data in hand, you're now ready to move to the next step. Step 3 is where the real action begins: implementing AI solutions. Now that we've identified our business needs and collected relevant data, it's time to spring into action. The beauty of AI is its versatility. There are a myriad of AI solutions available, each tailored to address specific needs and challenges. Some solutions might focus on improving customer service, others on streamlining operations, or perhaps on enhancing marketing strategies. The key is to choose the solution that best aligns with your identified business needs. Let's say your business needs to improve customer interaction. In this case, an AI solution like a chatbot might be the perfect fit. Chatbots, powered by natural language processing, can interact with customers in real time, providing immediate responses and assistance. They can be implemented on your website or social media platforms, serving as an effective tool to enhance customer service. Or perhaps your business needs to optimize its supply chain management. Here, an AI solution like predictive analytics comes into play. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future events, helping businesses to anticipate demand, manage inventory, and reduce operational costs. But remember, implementation is not a one-time event. It's a process. Once you've chosen your AI solution and integrated it into your business operations, it's vital to test and adjust. Monitor the performance of your AI solution, gather feedback, and make necessary adjustments. This iterative process ensures that your AI solution is not only functional, but also effective in meeting your business needs. And don't be disheartened if things don't go perfectly at first. Implementing AI is a learning curve. Mistakes will be made, and that's okay. Each mistake is a learning opportunity, a stepping stone towards perfecting your AI implementation. Once you've successfully implemented your AI solution, you're nearing the finish line. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned as we delve into the final step, reviewing and optimizing your AI integration. Finally, step 4, review and optimize. Now that you've successfully integrated AI into your business model, it's time to perfect it. This step is not a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process that requires your attention and perseverance. AI integration is a journey, not a destination. Just like any other aspect of your business, it needs to adapt to the changing landscape. And for this, you need to review and optimize the AI solutions you've implemented. Why is this so crucial? Well, the answer is simple. The world of AI is rapidly evolving, and to stay ahead of the curve, your business model must evolve too. Regularly reviewing your AI solutions allows you to identify any inefficiencies or areas for improvement. How do you go about this? The key lies in feedback and data. Feedback from your team, clients, and any other stakeholders can provide invaluable insights into how your AI solutions are performing. Data, on the other hand, is the lifeblood of AI. By analyzing the data generated by your AI solutions, you can make informed decisions about necessary adjustments. These might include tweaking your algorithms, refining your data collection process, or even rethinking your AI strategy. Remember, the goal is not just to integrate AI, but to do it effectively. And this is where optimization comes into play. With continuous optimization, your business model will stay ahead of the AI curve. So, we've journeyed through the steps of optimizing a business model for AI integration. Let's recap. We first highlighted the importance of understanding AI integration. It's not just about the technology, but also about the transformative impact it has on your business. Then, we delved into the need to evaluate your business needs. Remember, AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding the right fit for your unique business situation. We also talked about the crucial role of data collection and analysis. Good data is the lifeblood of AI. After that, we explored the implementation of AI solutions. It's a complex process, but with careful planning and execution, it can revolutionize your operations. Lastly, we emphasized the importance of review and optimization. AI integration is not a one-off event. It's a journey of continuous improvement and adaptation. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember, the future is AI, and with HouseLux Estate, you're always one step ahead. Subscribe for more insights, and until next time, keep innovating.